Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so what we have seen in the last session,
We were doing some exercise of proper subset now.
okay,
મેડમ
just a
પાંચ
minute.
દસ ટકા ગુજરાતી બોલો ને.
So, beta,
5-10% ગુજરાતી.
if I'll speak in Gujarati, then it can be difficult for international students. But still, I'll try to do in two languages, like English and Gujarati both.
ઓકે.
Is the screen visible to you all?
નો મેમ.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, it's
ma'am.
clear.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in the last session, we have seen the definition of a proper subset, and its examples. And some examples also will do today. Example 1, find total number of subsets of a set x belongs to n where x is an even prime number. Now, I have told you in our previous session that what is we mean by prime numbers. So, which number is an even prime number? Prime numbers means what? If we are finding factors of that number, then we can get the same number and 1. Two only numbers will be there if we are talking about prime numbers. So let me just tell you that if we are taking 7 as a number, so if I want to factorize 7, then 7 equals to 7 into 1. I'm writing in the chat box. Now, if I'm talking about 11, then 11 equals to 11 into 1. So these numbers are prime numbers. Now, if I'm talking about 9, then is 9 a prime number?
No, ma'am, because 3 times 3 is 9.
Yes, because we'll write like 3 into 3 will be 9. So, apart from 9 and 1, there are other factorization too. So 9 is not a prime number. So if we are talking about even prime number, then there is only one even prime number is 2. 2 equals to 2 into 1. Other than that, if we can get any, we can take any even number, like we can take 8, we can take 6, we can take 10, but all are these even numbers are non-primes. They are not primes. So if we can ask like write an even prime number, then there is only one, which is 2. So here in the set, A equals to 2. Clear? Now they are asking that find total number of subset of this set and also write all subsets and proper subsets. So total number of, to find out total number of subsets, we have the formula. Which formula we were having to find out total number of subsets? Do you remember? We have done it in the last session only. Actually, it is on the screen only. How much number of subsets we can get?
2 to the power n.
Yes, it is 2 raised to power n. So, n is the number of elements in the set. Now, a number of elements in the set A is what? What is the number of elements in the set A?
1, ma'am.
Only one. So 2 raised to n will be 2 raised to 1, and that will be
Two. One man.
2.
Two
So
one.
there we'll get only two subsets. Now, which subsets will be there?
N- Null, null and two, ma'am.
Yes, singleton set and null set. So it will be like this. Number of A is 1. Then, therefore, we have this formula 2 raised to n. The total number of subset of a set A equals to 2 raised to 1, which will be 2. So there are two subsets, and two subsets are, one is null set and other is singleton 2 set. Okay, those who are new students, I have shared YouTube link in our group, so you can go through that sessions, because sessions are there. જે લોકો નવા આવ્યા છે, જેને આગળના સેશન અટેન્ડ નથી કર્યા, આગળ ખાલી 3 જ સેશન થયા છે. ત્રણેય સેશન તમે યુટ્યુબ પર જોઈ લેજો, અને એમાં કઈ ડાઉટ આવે તો મને પૂછી લેજો.
શું નેમ છે યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ?
શું?
ઓકે.
કૃણાલ અને પાર્થિવ, I guess you both are new students, no? Are you Gujarati students?
हाँ हाँ
હા
गुजराती
ઓકે ઓકે, તો હું છે ને લિંક તમારી પાસે છે યુટ્યુબની, નહીંતર ફરીથી હું ત્રણેય શેર કરી દઈશ ગ્રુપમાં.
ના નથી, ગ્રુપમાં
હા,
મોકલી
તમને
દેજો.
કદાચ ફરીથી એડ કર્યા હશે, પછી એડ કર્યા હશે. વાંધો નહીં, હું
તો
લિંક શેર કરી દઈશ ફરીથી, એટલે ઈ તમે જોઈ લેજો.
ઓકે
ओके
ઓકે.
थैंक यू
હા, ઓકે. Okay, so these are the subsets of the set A. Now talking about proper subsets. So proper, which subsets will be a proper subset of A? Those who were in the last session, they know what is proper subset. So which subset will be a proper subset? There are two subsets we have. Which
Null,
subset?
ma'am.
Yes, only null set will be there, because whenever we are talking about proper subset, we will not consider the whole set. So the main set over here is set A equals to singleton 2. And since our definition of proper subset is like that, at least one element should be lesser than the main set. So proper subset will be only null set and not a singleton set too. Okay, clear with this example?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so moving forward to example 2. Uh, this is you have to do by your own.
ના મેડમ નો સમજાવે.
બેટા તમે આગળના સેશન જોશો ને પછી તમને સમજાઈ જશે, કેમ કે તમને પ્રોપર સબસેટની ડેફિનેશન જ નથી ખબર, એટલે હું સમજુ છું કે તમને નહીં ખબર પડે. તમે આ
ઇંગ્લિશ
સેશનનો એ વિડિયો
ઇંગ્લિશ
જોઈ
છે ને
લેજો.
એટલે
હા,
હે ઇંગ્લિશ છે ને એટલે આમાં વધારે માહિતી ન હોય.
અચ્છા, ઓકે. કૃણાલ ડોબરિયા, વાંધો નહીં, તમે આગળના 3 સેશન જોઈ લેજો, અને આજની સેશનની હું લિંક મૂકી દઈશ, તો પછી તમે કદાચ આગળના 3 જોશો તો આ તમને આઈડિયા આવી જશે. અને જો તમને ન આવે તો પછી હું છે ને સર સાથે વાત કરી લઈશ. એવું જો પોસિબલ થશે ને, તો હું તમારી સાથે બીજા જે ગુજરાતી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સનો ક્લાસ છે ને એના સેશન્સ તમને મોકલી દઈશ, એટલે એમાં તમને ઇઝીલી સમજાઈ જશે.
એમાં ખબર પડી જશે
હા,
ગુજરાતી.
એટલે જ હું કહું છું કે તો તમને
मैम
એ વિડીયો મોકલી દઈશ.
हेलो
ઓકે.
હા,
मैम
બોલો.
मैम आपको भेजा था व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज इसके
अच्छा,
रिगार्डिंग।
आपको गुजराती स्टूडेंट्स के वीडियो चाहिए ना?
यस मैम।
हाँ, पर उसके लिए ना मुझे परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी, तो मैं उसी के लिए मंडे जब कॉलेज जाऊंगी ना, तो मैं पूछ लूंगी वहाँ पे हमारे
मैम
डिपार्टमेंट जो
अश्विन
हेड है।
सर ने और ब्रिजेश सर ने तो भेज दिए लिंक सेक्शन सी के।
अच्छा, ठीक है, तो मैं भी भेज दूंगी फिर आपको।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
हाँ, ठीक है। Okay, so this example you have to do by your own. Find total number of subset of a set A equals to set, how they have defined a set, x belongs to n, x is a factor of 5. So what are the factors of 5 first? Write in the
One in
chat box.
five.
Yes, there will be 1 and 5. Everyone have to write in the chat box like answers, so that I can get the idea, do you understand or not. Okay, so your set A will be 1 comma 5. So also write all the no, find total number of subset of a set. Total number of subset of a set, we have the formula 2 raised to n. So how many subsets we'll get? How many subsets we will get?
Repeat the question, ma'am.
Okay. In this set, we are having two elements. Set A equals to into curly brackets 1 comma 5. This is the set we are having. Now we want to find out that how many subset we will get of this set. So how many subsets we can get? What is the formula to find out how many subset number of subsets we'll get?
All right, thank you. Understand.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the answer? Wuso?
4.
Yes, because
We're
we
gonna.
have the formula 2 raised to n. So n value over here is 2 because we are having two elements. So 2 raised to 2 will be 4. So total 4 subsets we will get. Now the question is which 4 subsets will be there? Write in the chat box. Which 4 subsets we will get? Which 4 subsets we will get? Here we have set A equals to 1 comma 5. Now we have to write that which subsets we'll get. Yes, Wuso is sharing the screen. Okay, sharing her notebook. It is not clear. Okay, this is singleton 1, singleton 5, 1 comma 5 and one more left, Wuso. One more left. Okay, null set you have written, no? Okay. Yes, so there are 4 subsets of the set, which is singleton set, singleton 1, singleton 5 and 1 comma 5. Okay, so these are the subsets of A. Total number of subset 2 raised to 2 and subsets are, just a minute. Yes, subsets are singleton 1, singleton 5, null set and 1 comma 5. Now if we are talking about proper subset, then which subsets will be a proper subset? Which subsets will be proper subset?
Nil subset and 1 and 5 subset.
Yes, it will be null set, singleton 1, singleton 5. The whole set which is 1 comma 5 will be not there in the collection of proper subset. So proper subsets will be these three only: the null set, then the singleton 1 set and singleton 5 set. Okay, so clear up to this? Can I go to the next example?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the next example is find total number of subsets of a set We have to find out total number of subset first. So what is the definition of A? X belongs to N. X is a factor of 4. So write factor of 4. Factors of 4.
1 to 4.
Yes, factor of 4 will be 1, 2 and 4. Now our set will be like this. See here A equals to 1, comma 2, comma 4. Now we have to find out total number of subsets of a set. So how many subsets we can get of this particular set?
8, ma'am. 2 to the power 3.
Yes, it will be 2 to the power 3 because we have 3 elements in the set. And so 2 to the power 3 will be 8. So 8 subsets we can get. Now which 8 subsets will be there? Write in the chat box. Or you can write it in the notebook and you can show me in the screen. Yes, I have received many solutions. One, two, three, four. You should have 8 uh, subsets. Jigme, why you have considered 3 in your subsets? 3 will not be there. Sagar, Umretia, Singleton, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 4, 2,
It
3.
was a
Yes, correct.
mistake, ma'am. I
Okay, okay,
wrote
no
3
issue.
instead of 4.
Okay, okay, no issue. Answer by Sagar is correct. Answer by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Angela is also correct. Jigme, if in your answers we can replace 3 by 4, then it is correct. Vuso, your answers is correct. Okay, so I think you are clear with the concept. Now, if we are talking about proper subsets, then which should I remove? Which set should I remove?
The one with 1 to 4 subset.
Yes, only one subset I should remove, which is 1 to 4, because I cannot take the whole set as a proper subset. So this I will remove and others will be proper subsets. Okay, so the next question is, find total number of subsets of a set where A, x belongs to n, x is a factor of 27. So what are the factor of 27?
13927.
Yes, it will be 13927. Yes. So now how many total number of subsets we can get for this particular set?
16. No. 2 to the power 4.
Yes, it will be 16 because we have the formula 2 raised to n means 2 to the power 4 and it will be 16. Okay, so 16 subsets will get. Now let me show you in the screen which subsets we will get. I'm giving you 1 minute. You just go through it how they have written the subsets. There will be 16 subsets and you have to take combination of 2, then combination of 3, and then the last one is total 4 elements. ઓકે, એક જ મિનિટ. કૃણાલ અને પૃથ્વી અને અમિત કુમાર જેટલા
પાર્થિવ
બી ગુજરાતી લોકો છે જેમને વિડીયો જોઈએ છે પહેલાના, એ મને વોટ્સએપ પર
હા
ખાલી મોકલજો ને એમનું કઈ નામ કે હેલો કે એવું, તો હું તમને શેર કરી દઈશ વિડીયો.
તમારા
ઓકે
નંબર મેડમ?
મારો નંબર ગ્રુપમાં છે જ ને અત્યારે જેમાં છો એમાં. અત્યારે હું જેમાંથી મેસેજ કરું છું એ નંબર છે જ, તો જેને પણ જોઈતા હોય મને એમાં કરી દો મેસેજ વોટ્સએપ પર, તો હું ફોરવર્ડ કરી દઉં વિડીયો. Okay, so are you clear with this example so that I can go to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next is power set. So what we mean by power set is the set of all subsets of a given set is known as power set. So if I am taking uh, a set of all the subsets, now we all know that how we can find out these subsets, then we'll make a collection of those subsets and that collection will be a power set. Okay, so if we are having these sets are subset of set A, right? Now, if I want to make a set of it, what would I do is I have to put curly brackets in both the sides, and this will be a power set of A. You got the idea? You have to make a collection of all the subsets, and the sets which are the subsets will be element of that main set, power set. So whatever subsets we are getting, we have to collect all the subsets and we have to put it in the one set, and that set will be a power set. This is the notation P of A is the notation of power set. Now, a note, if a finite set has n number of elements, then its power set contains 2 raised to n elements. Now, power set will definitely contain 2 raised to n elements because we can get 2 raised to n subsets of that set. And subsets are the element of that power set. Okay. So, write power set of set A. So, first of all, we have to make all the subset of this set. Okay. So, write down in the chat box all the subset of this set. How many subset we will get for this particular set?
2 to the power 2, so 4,
Yes,
man.
because two elements are there, A comma B. So we can get four subset of this set and make the list of those four subsets, and then I'll tell you what have to do for the power set. Okay, two students have shared with me their number, so I have uh, forwarded the links whichever I have having. So these are the sessions, and you can see it in the sequence. And if you get any doubt, then you can ask me. આ જે સેશન્સ છે એ મોસ્ટલી ગુજરાતી લેંગ્વેજમાં હશે, પણ તોય એવું નથી કે તમે આમાંથી જોઈને તમને કંઈ ડાઉટ થાય તો તમે મને પૂછી શકશો એની ટાઈમ. ઓકે.
Okay, ma'am.
હા. Okay, so
I also send you a message.
yes, I'll share you. I'll share you. Okay, so
Okay.
there are four subsets we'll get for this particular set, and that subsets will be null set A comma B, A and B. Now we have to make a set of these subsets. How we can make a set? So set of all subsets will be power set. So you have to put those subsets in the curly bracket and you will get the new set, which is power set. Clear with the concept of power set?
Yes, ma'am.
You just have to make a set of subsets. That's it. But you have to consider all the subsets. Okay. So here the next question. This is what you have to do by your own. Write power set of a set B where B set is x belongs to n, x is a factor of 9. So what are the factors of 9 first?
139.
Yes, 139 is the factors of 9. Now this is the set you have. You have to make all the subsets and then you have to make a power set. Okay, so I think all of you got the links of previous sessions. So there are many
Okay.
links. Step by step, you have to see the lectures, and if it is possible, then you just make a notebook also to note down something important definition and examples.
Okay, ma'am.
Deepak Kumar, uh, whatever you have made a correct subsets, but some subsets are missing in this list because there are three elements in B. How many subsets we will get for this particular set B?
8, ma'am.
8, because the formula is 2 raised to n and 2 raised to 3 will be 8. So definitely elements in a power set will be 8. And you have written 1, 2, 3, 4. So still 4 subsets are remaining. Okay, 133919. Yes, correct. One more is required. One more. Yes. Null set singleton 1, singleton 3, singleton 9, 1 3, 1 9, 3 9, 1 3 9. What Sagar has written is the correct, Angela has written is the correct. Like you have to make a set of those subsets. Yes, Angela has written very nicely. Every subset in the curly bracket you have to write down, and then the main set also will be in the curly brackets. Very nice. So this is we call as power set. So power set will be a set of all the subsets. See, this is the power set. Okay. Now the next example. Write power set of C, where C is defined by x belongs to natural number set. X is a factor of 8. What will be the factor of 8? What are the factors of 8?
8. 1, 2, 4, 8.
Yes, there are four elements in this set, which is 1, 2, 4, 8. So let me show you in the screen. See, this is the set C 1, 2, 4, 8. Now you have to make a power set of this set. To make a power set, we have to find out subset of this set. And how many subsets we can get for this particular set?
2 to the power 4.
And what is that?
16.
Yes, there are 16 subsets we can get for this set. And yeah, so we can make subsets and then we have to make a power set for the same. So just look at this power set. It is having all the subsets of the set C. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 singleton 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 8, 2, 4, 2, 8, 4, 8. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you that if we are writing 1, 2, like 1 comma 2, or we are writing 2 comma 1, both are same. So we have to write it in one only. Once only we have to write 1 comma 2. 2 comma 1 will be the same as 1 comma 2. Order is not required over here. Okay, so this is the exercise which you have to do. by your own. Okay, so first one is write power set of set A, where set A is x is a factor of 25. So first of all, what will be the factors of 25? Yes, it will be 1, 5 and 25. 3 will be there. And so how many subsets we will get for this set? See, I'm writing over here. A equals to, we will get 1, comma 5, comma 25. Yes, and to find out subsets, we have this formula 2 raised to n, and 2 raised to 3 will be 8. So we can get 8 subsets. Now write down all the 8 subsets, and we have to make a power set. So we have to make a set of those subsets. Write in the chat box. Okay, so there are 8 subsets will be there. Null set, then 1, 5, 25, then 1, 5, 125 and 525, and the one will be 1, 5, 25. So the main set. Okay, now the next exercise is write all proper subsets of a set x belongs to n. X is a factor of 15. So what are the factors of 15?
1, 3, 5, 15.
Yes, there are 4 factors, which is 1, 3, 5 and 15. So here I'm writing in the screen. 1, comma 3, comma 5, comma 15. Yes. So, how many number of subsets we can get from this set? Total number of subsets?
2 to the power 4.
2 to the power 4 will be 16. And 16 elements will be there in the power set. So, this example you do it in your homework, and I'm sure that all of you can complete it by your own. Okay, will you do it in your homework?
Yes,
Just a
ma'am.
small exercise. Okay,
Yes.
do it by yourself, and let me just explain this table quickly and we can end this session. So see, this is the in general definition which we have already learned. Like this is the short formation of whatever we have seen till today. So in the first column they have written number of elements. So these are number of elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from that number of elements they have taken in general sets. So these are the sets. Whenever there will be zero element, like number of element will be zero, a set will be null set. So this is the null set. Now if the set is null set, then total number of subsets will be 2 raised to n, which will be 2 raised to 0, which will be 1. So subset will be 1. And which one is that? There will be null set only, right? Then the next column is of number of proper subsets. So in proper subset, we are uh, deleting one subset from the data. So here, if we have one subset, then the number of proper subset will be 1 minus 1 will be 0. So for null set, we will not get any proper subset. For null set, we will not get any proper subset. So it will be 0 and then no proper subset. Okay, then the next is number of elements 1. When one element is there, they have taken this example of capital A equals to singleton A. So this is the singleton set. Now this set is having only one element, and number of subsets will be 2 raised to n. So this will be 2 raised to 1. So it will be 2. And those subsets will be singleton set and singleton A. This is not singleton 1. This will be singleton A. Okay. So these are the subsets. Now, whenever we are talking about proper subset, we have to minus one set from the set. So A will not be there. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. And this is proper subsets will be only null set. Because the whole set we cannot take as a proper subset. Now the next number of elements is 2. 2, so A comma B. This is the example they have taken for 2 elements. Now number of subsets are 2 raised to n. So 2 raised to 2 will be 4. And these are the subsets: singleton A, singleton B, AB and null set. Now whenever we are talking about proper subset, we have to delete one subset. So this will be 4 minus 1 and this is 3. And what 3 will be there? Null set A and B. The main set we cannot take as a proper subset. Now same for 3, ABC, 2 raised to 3 will be 8. These 8 set will be there. We have to delete one subset. So 8 minus 1 will be 7. And these 7 subsets will be there as a proper subset. They have just removed this one. They have removed this subset ABC, the whole set. Now the next 4 elements ABCD, 2 raised to 4 will be 16. Then these are the proper subsets, subsets. These are the list of subsets. Then 16 minus 1 will be 15. So there will be 15 proper subsets. These are proper subsets. We have to delete these one, this one subset from the main set. Okay. So this was the in general information in the one table. Clear with this table? There's nothing new in this table. Are you all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So next topic we'll do in the next session. One exercise I have given you, which you have to do by your own at your home. And in the next session, we'll discuss it first and then go to the next topic. Okay. Are
Yes,
you all
ma'am.
clear with today's session? Yes or no?
Clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's clear,
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
Very good.
ma'am.
Okay. So uh, there are 11 students in the meeting, no? Okay. I have taken
Okay.
attendance. You can leave the meeting now. Thank you all.